അതിന്റെ ഫുൾ ഇൻചാർജ് നിനക്കാണോ അല്ല? അതാണ് ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചത്.
Only 30 participants, so I'm waiting for the participants.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Let us wait for a few more minutes. Okay, we will begin with the review of the previous sessions.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, you can use chat box effectively to say yes or no. Am I audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Children, am I audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for the reply. So we were discussing about magnetic effect of electric current. Now at the end of the lesson, we have only one small topic is left, that is short circuiting. We will review the previous classes concepts and then we will come to the small sub-concept. Okay. Now I'm going to share my screen. Hope this is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Gopi, do you have any question? You raised your hand.
Ma'am, I did it mistakenly, ma'am.
Gopi, do you have any question? Okay.
Ma'am, I did it by mistake, ma'am.
John and Suhas, I'm admitting you to the meeting. Okay. A few more minutes, the meeting will be locked. Fine. Is the screen visible, children? Hope yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Left hand rule. You know Fleming's right hand rule? Just opposite Fleming's left hand rule. And under domestic circuits, we have learned about 3 wires, that is live, neutral, and earth wire. Next, this is a small quiz session. Read out, mark your answer in your notebook or any sheet of paper. Then I'll read out the answer at the end of the quiz. Red color insulation is used for dash wire. Write only one word as answer. Done? I hope done. A generator converts mechanical energy into dash energy. It works on the basis of dash. Larger the number of turns in the solenoid, greater will be the dash produced. Keep on writing one word answer. Done? In our houses, we receive AC electric power of dash with a frequency of dash. We have discussed, you might have forgotten, but we will again recap today. If you know the answer, please write it down. An electromagnet is a dash magnet. The frequency of AC alternating current in UACA is dash. Shall I reveal the answer? I hope children you are ready with the answer.
2 more minutes.
Okay, I'm locking the meeting now. It's already 10 minutes. No, 2 more minutes are there. Fine. So this is the answer. Red color insulation is used for live wire. Next, a generator converts electrical energy to electromagnetic induction. A generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. It works on basis of electromagnetic induction. I read out the answer, electrical and electromagnetic induction. Next, larger the number of turns in the solenoid, greater will be the magnetic field produced. Then, in our houses, we receive AC electric power of 220 volts, this has been told, with a frequency of 50 Hertz. Next, an electromagnet is a temporary magnet. The frequency for AC in USA is 60 Hertz. So there is slight difference. We have 50 Hertz frequency, USA has 60 Hertz frequency. So in any numerical question, if potential difference is not given, it has to be taken as 220 volts in India. Now I'm locking the meeting. Fine. Children, would you like to tell anything? You can raise your hands. So nothing there in chat also. Okay. go ahead. The next question is, name 2 safety measures commonly used in electric circuits and appliances. Can anybody guess? You can raise your hands. Nobody raised. Leka raised her hand. Leka, can you please put your answer in the chat box? Or I think there is no option to unmute yourself. Fuse and earthing. Leka, very good. That is the correct answer. What precaution should be taken to avoid the overloading of domestic electric circuits? One of the safety measure is fuse to be there, and next we should not connect all appliances at a time to the same socket. Clear? Okay. So these are all about the recap of previous session. In today's session, we are going to learn about short circuiting, fuse, and the review of the whole lesson. Clear? Now you know what is overloading from the previous session. So overloading of electric circuit occurs when the number of appliances operated on the circuit at the same time exceeds the limit the circuit wiring can withstand. So if you connect a lot of appliances to the same socket, to the same circuit, the circuit cannot stand. So such condition is called overloading. So what happens after overloading? So after overloading, it leads to melting of insulation because heat will be produced there. So where the live wire comes in contact with neutral wire, which leads to spark. And you all know after spark what happens? It leads to fire accident, right? So that kind of circuit are called short circuiting, where live wire comes to contact with neutral wire. So we have finished with overloading and short circuiting. Now the last small concept left is electric fuse. We have already discussed fuse. An electric fuse is used as safety device for the protection of electric circuits and the appliances connected to the circuit. How this fuse element is made? It is an alloy made out of tin and lead. You know what is alloy? It is a mixture of 2 or more metals. So a fuse wire is a mixture of tin and lead. And the fuse wire should have low melting point. You all know why it should have low melting point, because when there is overloading and short circuiting is about to happen, the temperature raises. So the circuits use them as fuse material. So that is an alloy. When high current flows through the electric circuit, due to short circuit or overloading, the fuse wire heats up and melts, and thus circuit is broken. That is how. Can you see what I have explained is such kind of fuse. They all are outdated now. Now instead of such fuses, what do you use? Do you have an idea? So now such kind of fuse are used. You can see here where the mouse is pointing, such kind of fuse we use. So such kind of fuse are called as MCDs. So MCBs are miniature circuit breakers. They work on thermal and magnetic principle. So a bimetal strip opens on you can see that the switch comes down, that is tripping. So when the fault is rectified, you can again lift it and you can rebuild the circuit. So MCBs are reusable fuses. I hope this is clear. uh, do you have any question? You can put it in the chat box. Hope I am audible. And this is the mind map. This is the entire lesson review. Could you please check the mind map, children, displayed here? Uh,
on our notebook.
I have unmuted all. Those who want to answer anything, those who want to ask anything, they can speak now. Do you have anything to speak, children?
Ma'am, can you please send this in the
Are you
group?
able to unmute yourself?
Ma'am, can you please send it in the group, ma'am?
Children, do you have any question?
Ma'am, can you please send us in the group, ma'am?
Can I hear? So nobody is asking question. So are you all? Okay with the lesson then? No question. Yes, this PPT will be shared in the group later. Children, I want you to ask any question if you have. You can unmute yourself. First, let me know, are you able to unmute yourself or not? Are you
We
able
can unmute
to
ourselves.
unmute
Yes,
yourself?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We are
Yes,
able
ma'am,
to.
we are able to unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No? Yes or no, children?
Yes,
None of
ma'am.
you are answering?
Ma'am, we are able to unmute ourselves.
Ma'am, I'm able to unmute myself.
When I am able to unmute myself, ma'am.
Yes, you can
Even me,
unmute
ma'am.
yourself. Then
Yes, ma'am.
don't
Same.
you have any question, children? Don't you have any question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So you do not have any question?
Ma'am, as of now, I don't have any question.
Okay, I'm waiting for you to ask the question. We are at the end of the lesson, children. Okay, now I'm creating group of 10, approximately 10 or 11 participants in one group. You all can discuss. I will visit your group discussion one by one, and there will be notification. You have to say yes and join the meeting room. Okay, I'm breaking you all, that is there are 44 participants into 4 groups. Okay, you accept, join there.
What is the meeting ID of that group, ma'am?
Hope you all have joined.
Join the breakout room 1.
Ma'am, how to join, ma'am? It's not coming.
M.
Did all participants return to the main meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, let us use this feature effectively from next session. I mean, at the end of the lesson, we will have such group discussion. You all have to discuss. But today, you just tried. I appreciate you a lot. Even though I have not muted, you all learned how to attend the meeting now. You all are muting yourself if you are not talking. I appreciate a lot. You are well disciplined, well mannered, and well behaving now. Hope there is no question, no doubts. The second lesson, that is magnetic effect of electric current, I have shared all notes, and this PPT also I'm going to share. Thank you, children. By this, we are ending the session. Fine.
Ma'am, write that notes in the notebook, ma'am.
All PPTs have written. If you have PPT notes, copy down the last session PPT notes. If you have not written anything, then copy down the exercise question from the document what I have sent. Am I clear?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
today's
yes,
session
ma'am.
have to write, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, children?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
should we write whatever is there in the PPT?
Yes. I hope you know how to take down the notes. And first slide, thank you slide, introduction slide, all those not necessary, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is how you have to take the notes.
Ma'am, the last exercise question should be right, ma'am.
If you have taken down all PPT notes, everything has been covered in the PPT. Okay, if you have not written the PPT notes, then take down only exercise question. I don't want you to write so much. I want you to focus on practice or utilize your time in studying instead of just copying.
Ma'am,
So,
till now every PPT I've written, ma'am. So now no need to write the exercise, ma'am.
no, the last PPT, today's PPT, you can write. Today's PPT, only very small part, that is fuse and short circuiting, you have to write. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we close the meeting then?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you all, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, children, tell me, who is this?
Ma'am, Own Mohammed.
Yeah, on moment, tell me.
Ma'am, yesterday you had sent that notes, no, ma'am.
Yes?
That also we should write, ma'am.
No, that is for your reference. That is for your study purpose. Only extra material. Need not have to copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Harika, are you speaking?
Yes.
Okay, it is not clear and time is up. Teacher will be waiting for the next session. Shall I clarify your doubt personally later?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yes. You all can leave the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.